Petrol prices across India crossed record highs on Sunday, with 1 litre costing over 100 rupees in multiple cities across the country. 1 litre costs 100.19 in Mumbai, 100.44 in Jaipur, 102.04 in Bhopal, 104.94 in Sri Ganganagar, the highest in India. Sunday has witnessed the 15th increase in the fuel prices across India this month, and it's burning a deep hole in the pockets of the Aam Aadmi. The common man is suffering today. The price of petrol costs 93.94 in Delhi, 95.51 in Chennai, 97.63 in Hyderabad and 97.07 rupees in Bengaluru, 93.97 in Kolkata and 96.10 in Patna.
Continuous rise in the price of petrol and diesel is directly affecting the pockets of common people. Now we are in Mumbai's Andheri area at a petrol pump, and today's figure we'd like to show you. The normal petrol is today available at 100.23 rupees. It has already crossed the 100 figure mark, whereas the premium petrol, if you can see, it has crossed 103 mark, which is now available at 103 rupees 0.14 paise, whereas diesel is available at 92 rupees 21 paise. So there is not much of difference between petrol and diesel prices, and the rise in price of such petrol and diesel directly affects the monthly budget of common people. How it is affecting the common people, we'd like to speak to some of the people over here. कितना असर पड़ता है इस तरीके से जो पेट्रोल और डीजल के दाम बढ़ रहे हैं?
पेट्रोल और डीजल के जो इस तरीके से जो रेट ऊपर की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं, इससे हमारे जो पर्सनल चीज़ें हैं उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा ही प्रॉब्लम जैसे होने लगी है। अभी जैसे कि राशन वगैरह हम लेने जाते हैं, जो हमें कम रेट में मिलता था, ये रेट ऊपर जाने से हमारे उस रेट में फ़र्क पड़ रहा है।
He is pointing out that the salaries are not increasing, but with such petrol and diesel prices hike, it directly affects the monthly budget. And such is the situation here in Mumbai, where the petrol rates have already crossed the 100 figure mark. With camera person Rakesh Salaskar, this is Saurabh Akhtania in Mumbai for India Today.
It's a wrap from me, Chaitanya.